Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button so that you can spread that positive energy and you would get some positive energy in return. So today we're gonna unbox my most expensive Haworthia purchase ever. I think the value of this is half the value of my current purchases for the year, and this would be my last purchase for the year. So 13th month pay, it's December, right? So this is my Christmas gift to myself already. And I really like this. So this is from JuaniTa. She's my favorite seller now because she's given me a very big discount. I won't be disclosing the prices, but these are the things that I purchased from her last sale, and she even gave me more discounts, right? So she's a very nice person, responsive. Just message her. Of course, right? Be reasonable. But she said, right? She's moving her store to a smaller place. Maybe because, right, in Benguet, it's during the Burr months. I think it gets really cold there, and I'm just making these assumptions, right? And they have to dispose or sell all of their merchandise or all of the plants that they have. So the most expensive plant that I purchased here would be around 4,000 bucks. So in my whole lifetime, that's the plant that's the most expensive that I've ever purchased. And you would have seen that the plants are priced 5.5, right? 4.5. So she really did give me a good deal. So let's go do with the unboxing. Thank you as well. So here we go. Okay, what is this? Oh, it's so tiny. It's so nice. So it is a seedling. So look at that, right? I think this is the Springbok X Comptonia crossbreed Variegata. So there, I'll just trim the roots. I have that black on my pinky because I tried to blacken out the personal details earlier. So it's really nice. Okay, where do I put this? Here, somewhere visible. Okay. Says thank you. You're welcome, and thank you as well. Excuse me. So here it is. She actually sold me the plants, the Haworthias, less than her acquisition. And I'm sure, of course, for bulk purchases, they would get a bulk discount as well, right? So there. Oh, isn't that lovely? This is splendens. No. Sorry, not the splendens. This is a, what do you call this? Badia Variegata. Right? I thought it was a retusa, but it grows, what do you call that? Bigger, and it's like a rosette. It has a rosette pattern, star rosette pattern as well. So really nice. Okay, put it there. Let's be careful. All right. Thank you, and you're welcome. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to everyone who's watching this. Okay, so this is what I initially purchased, and with this she already gave me a big discount below her acquisition price. And for the others, I just said, can you sell it for this amount? And I was hoping she says no, but she did, so I did buy it. And unfortunately, my biggest purchase ever. So this is a Truncata tiger, variegata. There, so if we stress this, I think this would turn reddish. Really nice. See? I purchased from her a truncata before, lime green truncata, half of this size. But this one is smiling to us as well. Nice. Awesome. Okay, put that here. Here, let's put it where you can see them. There. And then this one, let's move this here. So it's, I think, this is one of the freebies. She did give me one freebie. Initially, she was saying, I was asking for a discount, but she said, I'll just give you a freebie, but eventually she said, okay, I'm moving. So this is not the freebie. This is one of those that she was selling for a big amount. It's brown sugar variegata. So there it is. Nice, right? And I did ask her who her supplier is. So it's Chen's Haworthia Garden. Nice. Brown sugar variegata. Okay, so these two, I did purchase one of this. What's left would be, I believe these are Cooperi Variegatas. And one of those was given to me for free. Big discount plus freebie. So among my purchases, right, the most expensive I bought was 4K, and then I haven't bought anything beyond 3.5K, and then the prices, her list prices in her sale was around 4K, 4.5K. So this is the Cooperi. This is the freebie that she gave me. Yeah. You see the variegation there on that side, so that one doesn't produce any energy for the plant, but it does look nice, right? Cooperi variegata. And the last one, this is what I purchased from her, so I did not ask a discount for this. I'm really happy, buy one take one. So look at that, the variegations, right? I like it because it's striped. So there, really nice. So this one is as big, maybe an inch big, like a 5 peso coin. There, really nice. So we're done with our unboxing. So to those who are watching, this would be my last unboxing for the year, and Merry Christmas to you. I hope hobbyists like me would have more plants, right? It gives us joy and happiness. I survived the pandemic through this, but we have a lot more of our brothers and sisters who have gone through a lot. So let's just keep ourselves happy with what we have. We don't need to buy so much, right? So as long as we get what we want. And I've wanted this truncata for the longest time. Reddish one. I hope I get to stress that and turn the variegation red. So give us a like if you like what you've seen, right? Spread that positivity. I get happy when you like my videos, and when you give positive energy, you do get that back in return. It's universal across all cultures, right? So please give us a like, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.